Keep that in mind. Girl, what's up, girl? You came to join me. Join. Join! Howdy. Almost at 100 subscribers. I do want to hit 100 subscribers. Now, I can't say for the whole next month. I at least want 100 subscribers by the 15. Not even that. Probably about like the 10. I'm dropping a video tomorrow. 2 shorts with it. Girl. Okay, girl. So let's get it. We got the game in the background. Good night. Had some good eats. I'm full. As y'all can see, I was doing something for the video. I was explaining something for the video. Right here. 3 risk management tips. Video dropping probably tomorrow. I was explaining. Look at this. Nice. This looks clean. This looks very clean. Because I was going to do it, but it would look sloppy. So, and then I ain't going to lie, I seen someone video expired me. So I was like, his joint look clean. And I made my joint look clean. So yeah. All right, let's go. Let's start off with. Oh, I guess we can start off with 30. I know I don't want to, because 30 is too good. We don't want to start off with good. We want to start off with gold. Gold, 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 gold. Gold, please give me my gold. So okay. So first, we're gonna start off with gold. We're gonna look at what I did with gold, replay gold, take stats for gold, and then move on to 30, and so on, like we did yesterday. I kind of like that method. So we're not gonna press the replay button. We're just gonna see what we could have caught today. So as you can see, the EI wave is still in testing. I love the breakout. The breakout is killing. So for the EI, it didn't work. I ain't gonna say it didn't work. It never happened. It never happened. So price breaks out from here. What I have noticed is if price breaks out from here and it's a downtrend, it usually comes back to here. I've noticed that. So I am going to keep playing with the strategy. Like, I'm not going to like tweak it or anything, but this is known for the better TP instead of the always 3-to-1 RR. I got a surprise for y'all. I got a real damn good surprise for y'all of what I just did today. I got a super surprise. Super surprise. So as you can see, it went up today. So let's go to we're not gonna do the 5:30, we're gonna play it back. So today, I woke up around 8. So boom, there's really nothing you can trade right now. So boom, 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 up. Now it's something you can trade. So what is this? This is the breakout. So it hits 1 wall, hits 2. If it comes down and it comes back up off here, it usually hits this for the 3rd time. That would have been a nice entry. Oh, where did I put it? Did I? Oh shit! Did I write anything for Tuesday? Oh, Tuesday. I think I lost. What was this Tuesday? I lost 3 times. I had to write that down, right? Yeah, Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday I lost 3 times. So the bars don't match the bike. Me and my old man, we just get fucked up every night. She said these hoes ain't loyal. I said I keep that in mind. So Tuesday. So let's go for Wednesday and see what we did. Okay, so the stats is gonna look different. I would, if I could take every setup, I would. Like I was doing in the testing phase, it's kind of easier when I was testing it. But when I was in the challenge, sometimes I missed the setup. So some setups I could have caught, like the one I just showed y'all. Let's move this over somewhere over here. Let's just put it somewhere over here. It's gonna spawn somewhere near. Spawn somewhere near. Spawn somewhere near. Oh, my computer's starting to get slow. Got the Warriors game in the background. So this might be kind of far as one. Let's see. It hits the top. It hits the top again. I don't really like this one, in all honesty. It is one, but it works. So boom, boom, that's two. But I probably wouldn't take this one in all honesty. But if you do, it hits a wall, it hits a wall again. You can take this. So wall, doesn't go far, hits a wall again. Mwah, that's a good one. Now we're looking, we're looking. So we thought it was a sale. We tried to get it. And we actually did. We actually came here today. We seen this. I pulled this out and never hit the 50. That's why I love this strategy. Usually if it hit the 50, it goes down the hair. And I ain't gonna lie, the prop firm, with the spreads. Oh my fuck. I thought that it was just gonna be a problem. I'd be forgetting these ain't these fucking bro. These brokers is amazingly good. Amazingly good. So I did this today. Didn't see nothing. I could have did. And then boom, came down. I seen this. Boom. I probably shouldn't have entered. No, I'm not gonna say that. It's an L is an L. So I entered. I think, yeah, this is the first one I lost. I think. I don't know. Or did I? I think I don't think I entered this. I think I just wanted to see what was gonna happen because I didn't like this drop. I didn't see nothing like that when I kept back testing. I didn't like the big drop, and something told me, wow, didn't I like the big drop? So boom, comes up, mop, drop. So, all right, that's a sell, comes up, wick, comes up again. I was thinking of entering, so I think I lost this one. This is the one I lost. I got back in because I felt this one. So I'm like, mop. But I probably would have passed this one right here. But what I learned about the what's it called? I forgot what I called it. What the fuck did I call it? The breakout? I don't know the breakout. The nearby. This is too damn far. So you want a nearby like mop comes down. This is a good nearby. I probably wouldn't low-key enter this. It does work. So you enter, almost hit stop loss. No, it does hit stop loss. And then, yeah. So over here with just nasty work. Like I said, you're not going to win it all, but I ain't going to lie. This shit does win. We're going to test it and see what the stats is looking like. And then moon. So what I seen here was a mop forward. It breaks. It comes down. I'm thinking, hey, it wants to go down here. Doesn't go. This is probably a perfect better one. Hits here. Comes up, wicks down. Got that nice thing. Took us out. This is the one I missed, actually. Yeah, this is the only one I missed on. Oh, yeah. So I missed this one. This is the one I missed. I had a nice 3.4. I don't mind missing this. I don't mind. It was clean. It still went to the direction of the trend. So, I try to enter. It gets this 50 area. It comes down. It barely almost touches one. It did. Yeah. So, and as you can see, it wicks up. Low key, you probably could have entered this. I'm telling you how to enter, because in real time, you could have entered this. Hey, Vaughn, how you could enter this? Because look, in real time, it's going up to here. It comes here. Once it wicks here, right here. So look. So in real time, this is so mop. Let's see. Real time, mop comes here. It hits here. Probably, maybe it took you out. Maybe it took you out. It wicks here. I don't know. Maybe you could have entered this. This is a L though. We're gonna counterpart this a L just to be on the safe side. Comes up, mop. So mop hits it for the second time. What did I say? If it hits it twice, it's nice. It hits here, comes down. So mop comes down, hits it for the second time again. Mop comes down 50. Mop. So it does work. Like I said, then we see a second hit. Mop. Where's the retracement? Retracement is here. It goes 50. It wins. Mop comes here, goes 50. It wins. Mop goes here, comes 50. It wins. I just showed y'all. Mop, look, mop comes here, goes 50, it loses. But as y'all can see, look how much time the oh my, I forgot what it's called. The nearby is it's better than sex, man. Better than sex. Better than sex, my boy. Better than sex, my boy. So now that's gold. So gold is the only one I took for today. So we could give a L. But I think our percentage will be getting better because that's nearby. I didn't have the nearby. I had it, like I would say random encounter, but the nearby is so like that's what happens when you keep studying the charts. I'm like, bro, nearby it hits at a consistent rate. Instead of doing random encounters, even a 5 to 7 is random encounters, but it is a following trend. I just do the nearby, like I just wait for the nearby. Especially on gold. The gold, you see how much it's hitting? It's just sometimes like right here, it's just nasty work. Like this was nearby, I didn't like it. Like I shouldn't have did this nearby comes up. Nearby didn't work. Like, look how far this nearby is. Even though you probably want to just buy off the nearby, so it comes here, it comes up, it wicks down, it never jumps, it breaks, it loses. But when a nearby is kind of close, mop, wicks up. This one lost too. But it usually works. It usually works. I'm mad I showed y'all bad as it. Like I said, mop. So mop, wop. So mop wakes up. Get your 50. Get your 50. So mop wakes up, hit here. Mop hit here. And you see, it usually works. It usually works. So that's it for gold. We got one loss. And overall was five losses and 2 wins. We would still be out for the this evening. If that 3-1, that would have been another. That'd have been another 3.44 in the books. But that would have been so beautiful on our stat sheet. It would have been 3 wins and fucking 4 losses. But we still got 2 wins and 5 losses, and we're still positive. That's crazy, right? 2 wins, 5 losses, and we're still positive. 2 wins, 5 losses, and we're still positive. Keep that in mind. Now we're gonna go to US 30, and then we're gonna do some work. I took some notes today. Oh my gosh, US 30 was a fucking banger today. Straight banger. I'm telling y'all niggas, man. Straight bangers. Oh my gosh, US 30 was so, bro. This shit was art, beauty, defined, curvy, sexy, lumptuous, scrumptious. A work of art. So let's go over 30. But 30, I ain't gonna lie. I want to see what the 530 is talking about. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't look at the 530. 530, does it work? I going to 530, come here to 530. I just want to see. So it wakes up, comes down. Yes. Wakes up, comes lose. Wakes up. No, that doesn't work. Wakes up, maybe win. Wakes up, lose. Wakes up, lose. Wakes up, win. You probably won't take that. Let's see. And then the wakes up, lose. So the 530 was nasty work today. Very nasty. So we was straight losing on the 530. We want to take this like 530. I'm not really too fond about it. I was fond about it until I found the nearby. The nearby is, oh my gosh, I love the nearby. The nearby, and I want to kind of get a move where I could get basically. I can find a nearby with a 3-to-1. I want to test that very soon. I probably will go over live, probably like Saturday. I'm going to be testing that. So Saturday or Sunday live. Usually I go live Monday through Thursday. I give myself a break Friday, probably make some videos, YouTube videos. I got to make a YouTube video after this, post a couple of shorts. So I'm going to post YouTube video at 9:30 every day. I set it to 9:30 and I post 2 shorts with it. I'm trying to do some little funny stuff to keep y'all short memory ass niggas entertained, but let's just look at 30. We be getting distracted. So 30. So boom, 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 boom. So boom, 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 boom. We wouldn't even answer this, to be on all honesty. We probably wouldn't. Does win though. I think. Yes, it wins. It wins. A nice 1-on-1. Get you a nice 1-on-1. But the 1-on-1 I be hitting on the challenge, the broker is clean. Like instead of 50, you might win like 58. Instead of 50 loss, you win like 58 too. It kind of pushes it up a little bit. So it's not really 1%. It's 2. Like I won and lost today off 1-on-1s, and one was 63 and one was like 4 off the 10K account. Usually if I get this down pat, so this is where the action came in. And the crazy thing, I won't be looking at the market around this time. So market price breaks. It really breaks from here. I call this just a fake out. My price will come back to here. I don't know when. Oh shit! It came back. It came back. It breaks out from here. This is why I say holding on is so. This is crazy right here. Once I figure this out, game might be over. The game might be over. Even if you lose 8 in a row, I could tell you how to pass the challenge off one trade. So say you lose 8 in a row. Say you enter from here. I don't want to move this, but we is. You enter 19. That's 19%. That's 8% right there. You just gained 8% on your account if you just held this. You might lose a lot. I'm gonna tell an honest fucking truth. You gain 8% on your account if you trade at 4.5. You might lose about 8 times too. You might lose like shit on this. You might get anxiety like shit on this. You might get, your heart might drop like shit on this, because it could come here and come all the way back to break even. You'd be like, why didn't I take it? But this is the TP. This will always be the TP. I will try to figure something out. We will have to get our emotions out the fucking way with this one. You will have to get your emotions out the way, because you're going to lose way more than you win. You're going to lose. But I swear to God, it might be worth it. It might be worth it. It might, like, this might be worth it. Do not get me wrong. And if you enter off a 1-on-1, that's 19. So 19%, and you lose 1. So you have to lose 19 fucking times. You might lose 10. You might lose 10. I give you that. You lose 10. I say this right here, what I'm looking at, you might lose 10. I have to test this out. I wouldn't test, like I said, Saturday, that's when we testing. But this, and then look, I kind of did this today. Look where I look. It broke out from here. Oh, this is I should have made this. This is the we could move this and put the golden line right here. So right here, this is a breakout area. What I noticed, price always comes back to our yellow line. So if it breaks out from this area, like ranging, breaks out, it comes back here. It comes back. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. So this right here, I'm not gonna lie, you can't find shit. You won't find shit. You won't make shit. You can't find shit. So what I say on the safe side, this is a nearby. Don't enter a nearby kind of on down like this downtrend. You can't enter it because the nearby comes up 50, you lose. It comes back. It hits here. It never enter. You see this? You enter the 50. It goes straight in the tape. Oh my god, this goes straight in the TP and less than it goes to TP in 1 minute. This might be one hard shit to catch right here. So it comes here. It hits our an EI wave, and the EI wave we always want that 3-to-1. We want that 3-to-1. I seen this, couldn't catch this. Why? Because I low-key probably wouldn't take this. Why? Because the 930 candle, it moves to like I'm not. Don't get me wrong. Oh shit! I did one. Push this up so I really wouldn't take this because the 930 candle. Yeah, you can. It's either gonna be quick loss or quick W. Quick loss or quick W. Mop. It might just be quick loss, quick W. Quick loss, quick W. I will have to test this. This is not part of my strategy. It is part of my move set though. The EI wave is part of my move set. 930 wouldn't be in my recommended strategy, but it did work. So it comes down, comes up, comes down. So mop here, comes down, mop here. If it came back up, we'd have entered. So it came up, mop. Well, how the fuck did I enter this? So mop. I don't think this was. Now that I look back at this, this is not a good entry. I would okay. Maybe I wish I wrote a note on here because I really didn't take it. But I'm like, hell, it's gonna go up. I'm like, why did I say that though? Maybe because I was thinking, oh yeah. So I'm thinking, oh, okay. So nearby. I don't like farther nearbys though. Like I like nearbys like this. Nearby, wick up. Let me see. Do this nearby hit stop loss? Probably not. Doesn't hit stop loss. If you got a precise stop loss, so nearby, it wicks, you get this. You're probably playing around enter, you get your W. So that's a nice 1-on-1. This nearby wick comes up. At least I ain't gonna lie. Would I did a 6-to-1 with this? In all honesty, truth, probably not. Matter of fact, yes, it's dropped too hard. Mom, maybe he wants to come here, then go back down. I knew price had to come back here. So once price came up here, if I held doing this, I would have. So this is crazy. You can catch stuff like this. This is what I mean. If it breaks out, this is another TP. We're going to focus on this Saturday. I'm actually I got a couple of YouTube video ideas. So next month, I at least want to make 10 YouTube videos. I want to make 10 YouTube videos and gain a subscriber count of 250. Yes, I only have 79. I could see me getting 250. If I do 250 posts, 10 videos with 20, at least 20 plus 10 videos plus 20 shorts. That's the goal. 10 video, 20 shorts. 10 videos, 20 shorts. Oh, that's gonna be a hassle, but that's something we're gonna have to learn and do. All right, so okay, so this is a mop, wigs down, wigs up. That's beautiful. Mop, wigs down. There's another one. Mop, wigs down. Hits the 5. That's beautiful. Mop, mop. Oh, this is a nice one right here. I said don't take this bullshit. Now that I look back on it, I see why I took this bullshit. It's not even bullshit. Get this note out of here. Because I thought it was only one mop, and then I just went. So this is mop. No, this is no, yeah. Why did I take this bullshit? Yeah, this is wrong. This is wrong. Yeah, I understand. Thank you. I wrote this note for a reason. I was about to say, don't take this bullshit. Again, this is not part of the plan, and this wasn't part of the plan because you're just a mop. It comes so mop. It mops again, but it doesn't make another red candle. It breaks there. Mop, wick, mop. This one, mop, wick, mop. So mop. I don't know about this one. You can, so mop, because I'm transferring this mop, wick, go. I'm now reusing this mop, wick, go. Mop doesn't mop again. Enter off the 50, hit, go. I won't supposed to enter this, but I did win this one. Nice 101. Right, girl? Mop, wick, go. So mop, wick, go. I probably wouldn't take that. This is right here. I wouldn't have took none of this shit at all. It came up. It was a nasty, choppy market. This was nasty. So you could look at it and tell it's nasty. You don't take anything on this right here. You just let the market play out. Like sometimes you got to be patient. Just let the market play out. Like over here, market dropping, just let it play out. Mop. If it wick down, you'd have went. Mop, here, wick, go. The EI kind of beats the purpose of the mop because look, it could have mop, wick down and go, but that's why I don't know. But I'm gonna keep testing. The EI has been working on gold. The EI worked damn sure good today. 1 EI and then 2 EI. So mop, it comes down, mop. Doesn't got no mop here because you could have entered. So somewhere up doesn't have 2 red candles. You don't enter. Drops back down. You see the 2 reds. Enter off here. It marks here. You come here. Stop loss here. Get nice 3.5 here and go. Loki. You want to do this? Sure. Why not? I wouldn't do it. Just keep it classy and get your 3.5. That would have been 3.5 for the day. You're good. You're golden. So these is the trades I was supposed to take. I couldn't enter on time. Like I was setting it up, and then once price hit here, I can't enter. Like it hits a little bit above. Like even if it takes, like I'm willing to enter when it's in a red. I'm never, ever don't enter in the green. Because your risk management is going to be it's because we're on the 1 minute, guys. If you enter in the red, you could go from because my stop loss will always fit. Even if I enter in the red, my stop loss is always 50, so I'm gonna lose no matter what. Like even if I enter here, the stop loss is 50. But if I enter here, my TP is 90. So I'm more willing to enter in the red. I don't want to win. I'm up a little bit, even a tick. So once it's come near here, I gotta analyze. I enter. That's the only thing about this strategy. You have to just stay glued on the charts. But it is 1 minute, so it's quick. So sometimes you at work, you can do like an alert. You got a mop alert. Look at the chart. All right, if the mop hit here, alerted. Look at the phone for a little bit. I could do it off my work. I don't know about y'all niggas. Y'all working in the warehouse. Y'all can't pull out your phone. I'm sorry. But this does work. Maybe you can even try this in the evening time. You get off work. Maybe it works. It works in different time frames. I'm not one of them niggas. You only can trade on this time frame. So mop works. After this one, I kind of gave up because it's like there's too much TPs you could take. Like, I ain't gonna lie, after what this is 1:20, it's 1:20 p.m. I'm probably done because you caught one. We didn't lose today. In all honesty, and you won. You caught a 3-1. You caught a 6-1. You caught a 1-1. You caught another 1-1. You caught a fake 1-1. You caught another 3-1. You'd have been 6-0. You really could have passed a fucking challenge with everything you caught today. 3%, 9%. Oh, you passed. Oh, you want to keep going? Sure, let's keep going. Another 1%, another 2%, another 5%. So you gained 15% in one fucking day. Look what I just said. That's if you want to risk 1. I risk 0.5. If I was like confident, I gotta keep testing the strategy for me to up it to 1. I gotta know the percentage. I gotta keep back testing. I gotta test in different market areas. I gotta test in EMAs. I just gotta keep testing. But I feel safe. Like if I lose, like I don't want to get anxiety. So you know how some people get anxiety. If you get anxiety when you trade, get the fuck off the set. Get off the set. Get off. But if you get 0.5%, that don't give me anxiety. If I lose again. It don't give me anxiety. Because if I lose 3, I'm down 3%. I'm out 3%. The most you can lose is 10. I think for the day it's 5. You probably done for the day. So if I lose 3, I can still probably get one more trade in, go back to break even, or go to 4 and I'll be done. Lost 2%. I'm good with that because I could gain another 2% the next day. So we can still look. So okay, mop. Well, now, oh my gosh, yo, 30 was just fucking cooking. Hit mop. So mop, wick, lose. This is a loss. This is a loss right here. That's why I don't like this one. You don't want to. This is the most thing I can say. Don't pick up bad habits. Please don't pick up bad habits like this. So, what is this one? Mop, wick, go. After this one, cut it out. So I'm gonna delete this because that's a bad habit. If you want to mop, get a new mop. Like so, this hit mop, get another mop, and then go. Don't go off the last mop. I don't really like that shit. So I'm going to cancel it. So look. So mop, wick, mop, wick. So this is it. Mop, wick, 50, go. You don't mop 50. It don't know. You wait till another mop. So come here. Really I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't enter this. It just looks disgusting. You get this long wick. You get the mop. You get a mop. It doesn't really never even comes back. It does, but this is nasty work. This is so nasty. You really won't enter this. I wouldn't. Come back. Oh my God, look what happened. Oh my God. Yo. Oh my gosh, bro. I can't wait. It's like me retesting this. I used to look back. Change it back to gold. So I used to look back and be like, man, I'm glad I go live every day now because it's like you know how you test a strategy for a day or two and be like, man, it's good. I've been testing this for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, retesting it hour a day, seeing what I could do better. seeing the methods that work, taking percentage at every jump. And we're gonna take the percentage after this. After we look at it, we're gonna replay it and test it. So we're looking at the market double time. That's why we go live. So we basically look at the market twice and see what we can learn. Repetition is the best key. You just want to see the same pattern over and over. Even if this is easy, just keep repeating, and you're gonna be like, oh, you're just gonna see certain advantages in the market. So mop, it's not mop. This is no mop. Mop. Do we get a mop? This is a far mop though. This is a way. This no mop. No mop. So no mop here. No mop here, but where it break out at? Where did I say it broke out at? From here? Mop. And so this is such a trendy day. I don't think we'll never get you won't get a good day like this. This is a fucking beautiful, bro. You don't know, understand how beautiful day. This is probably the best day for this strategy I probably will ever see. Or 30. Bro, the statistics are, you probably could have gained like 30 fucking percent on one day off this strategy. Off straight eat, bro. It's like this was the day like Kobe. Nah, I ain't gonna put it to that Kobe 81 points, but this is like Joel 70. It's about Joel 70. So look, so ooh, oh my gosh. It's a fly. I don't know how you to fly in my house. So the EI wave. You come here, it hits a target. You can, I ain't gonna lie, even if you miss this, you can re-enter. You can always re-enter. I ain't gonna lie. What I noticed about the EI wave, you can always re-enter. Like, let me see. Let's see if I can catch it. EI wave. You can re-enter. So we got 3 EI waves that work today. That's so far. I never. Oh my god, that's like 10% off the EI waves. That's why I said sometimes the EI waves, to me, EI waves is such a killer when it's a trending market. That's what I've noticed. When it's just ranging, I fucking hate EI waves because it could go like, it could just wake your ass out. But if it's trendy, like I seen this big ass drop, the EI wave is so good because it's just going off trend. It's not going off range, like it's just going off trend. So let me see, a EI wave you could re-enter. Like maybe this one, but I wouldn't enter. I enter this one, the EI, but I probably enter off a 1. Like I'll do a 101. That's reasonable though. Or you can do the 3-1. I try to do that today with gold. It hits the EI wave, it drops, it comes up. I try to enter off the gold. I ain't gonna lie, I don't mind doing that. That might even be a safer bet, to be honest, is to re-enter off this and then go. So this might be better than this one. Like you never catch it on this one because it never wicks down again. But like we never get 2 candles. And the next 2 candles it's here. It's too damn far up to even quantify as that. So EI, it comes here. Like I said, the EI will be better if you hit here, comes up 2 candles. If it had, you could have got these 2 candles, came here. Like if this was a red candle, this might be a red candle depending, because I be going on different US 30 charts. Candles be red as hell. This day would have been 19% on a fucking account. Imagine getting 19% on a 300K account. That's how much someone making a fucking year. That's about yeah, I said 19. What's that? 10%. Fuck. That's about 59K. 59K to burst. They say 80%. They take 20%, so 60K. I don't know how much would they even fucking pay you. So say if you got a 60K payout, can they pay you that shit? Like, I ain't gonna lie. I really don't. I ain't gonna say. I believe prop firms want niggas to win, get a little story so they can let other niggas buy it. But say if I win 60K, are y'all gonna pay me that shit? I don't think so. Or if they do pay me it, they gonna be like, they might really hit you, be like, bro, I gave you this 60K. You banked us. Cause look, only niggas paying 500, 300, 300, 300. That's about 20 niggas. The percentage of people winning the prop firm, they said it was what, 2%, 1%. What if someone in that 1%? That shit wipes out about 20% of Nick. So this, how can I know the numbers in my head. I can't explain shit. So we got 100 niggas. Say we got 100 niggas. They saying guarantee out of that 100 niggas, 3 is passing. Like, not step 1, not step, just 3 is just passing. So you probably get one nigga give you 250, one nigga give you 500, one nigga give you 200, one nigga give you that 200, 200, 500, 700, 600, 600, 700. Don't know all the math, but we could I'm gonna just say 300. I'm gonna say 350 for every person just to get the mean of the number. And what I said, 3 people passed. So 350 times 97. I could do that. You know, I'm so good at math, I could do that in my head, but why would I? 350 times 97. You get $33,950 from these 97 people. Just say you get 37,950 from 7 people. You get this much from 97 people. Then you got 3 people who passes. Usually they have like a 50, a 10K. You gotta get a payout of 500, 2K, 3K. But what if this one nigga has a 300K and just got a 19% account? All of this shit wipes out. 300, 19%. What did I say that was? That's 59K. That's 59K. That's 59 fucking K. Y'all don't understand what I'm trying to say. That's 59K. They take 20%. So 59, 20%. I don't know. We could say 47. I don't know the number. I don't feel like doing a mean of the number. So 47,000. So you gain 47,000. If they ever run into someone who knows how to make money on a prop firm, they are fucking cooked. They are fucking cooked, bro. Because one nigga could make 47,000, and that's equivalent to 100 niggas buying the challenge. And they say 1% only pass. They say only 1% pass. So imagine, fuck it, let's just say 10%. You make 30K, 300K with a 10%, 30K, that's 27,000. That's still a chip in the armor. You don't make the whole, that's 27K. And maybe you take that 27, 20% of that, 24. You make 24K, so they only profiting what I said, 24K, $9,000. $9,000. They will want you out the fucking league. They will want you out. That's why I don't think a lot of people could trade. They say my temperature on my computer dropping. I might have to restart this. Oh no, it's a temperature dropping Sunday. I thought it was my computer's overheating. I'm like, man, my computer never was hot. Bro, that's crazy. Bro, this shit explode. Oh, I want to make a video. I gotta write down a bunch of video ideas. If I write on my oh my gosh, I gotta write this on my calendar. Let's see what if I gotta rip this calendar anyway. If one person makes 10% on 300K account. YouTube will explain. Risk management, very stat based, stat percent. Oh my gosh. Y'all not understanding where I'm coming from with this shit. Y'all not understanding where I'm coming from with this shit. This is crazy. This is crazy, bro. So imagine I get a 300K account. 100 people, 3 people pass. Like I said, one person make 1,000. Because a lot of people don't make that much from prop firms. Realistic, they probably make 1,000. They probably glad they even pass. Someone, you probably got professionals that's making like 11K off a prop firm, but that's a rare occasion. Imagine you get a 300 and you make 10% of that. That prop firm is denying you, bro, because that's a chip in the armor. They do not want to pay you 300K. Oh, okay, man, you take 20. That's 25. That's $25,000. Imagine you make the all right. They pay you that 25,000. They ain't gonna pay you again. They're gonna try to best in their ability. Like, I do a 300K. If you pay me out that one, maybe 28K, and then take my account, what you get? You get your 2,000 back. You get around 2,000 back. You pay the account 2,000. You get your 2,000 back, and you get 28K in your fucking pocket. That prop firm is going to ban you, bro. They're going to ban you. Why are they going to ban you? Because it's a chip in the armor. That one person is equivalent to 100 niggas failing a prop firm off a 300K account. It just makes sense because the mean is $399. We just going to say the mean is $399, and that's a good mean. Or you can say 300. I don't give a fuck. But if someone get a 300K and makes 10% of that, they do not want to pay you that shit at all. They are not going to want to pay you. And the thing about prop firms, most niggas can't, or what in their head won't do that. But most niggas who got a 50K and makes 10% of that, you could do it on the 300K. It's just a higher number. Don't look at it as a fucking number. Just look at it as a percentage. So if you do a 50K account and you ever made 10%, which most people never probably even pass the fucking prop firm, is you can go. That prop firm will go out of fucking business from that one. They will email you and say, stop. What are you doing? You're taking away from the matter of fact, join us. You don't got to be a part. Just promote it. Fuck all that. We're going to pay you to promote our prop firm. Please just stop taking challenges. And that's what they're going to do. That's what they're going to do. If you, because you could make a 10% on that 20K. They don't give a fuck. 10%, 2,000. They take away 20%. You get 1,800. That's a chip in the armor of 3 niggas, and they failed 97 niggas. 3 probably pass out of 100. So maybe even less. 2 probably pass. 1 probably pass. So out of 100 niggas, it's 1 to 3% that actually pass. So it's 1 to 3 niggas that passes, and it's over. It's over if someone do a 300K account. I don't think a lot of people even buy 300K's account. But if I was a rich man, I'd take if I was a rich nigga and I wanted to be a spoiled brat and I knew how to trade, you could take you could take each one prop firm out of fucking business. You could take each one because you buy 300. Just say even if you buy 300Ks and you pass the third one, you lost $6,000. You gain your $2,000 back. That's 4,000, and you make 10%. You made all your money back. Oh, that's a chip in the armor. Say you make 10% for 2 months straight, it's over. I'm telling you. But now I'm mad. We was talking about prop firms. Now we got to go back to the strategy. I kind of like talking live. Imagine if I had like 100 niggas in here and y'all actually communicating back. I could just talk to myself sometimes. That's why I fucking love this shit. And it's part of my studying. But like I said, my strategy is so good, I had to talk about prop firms and how it could be a killer. I've been studying this shit for about 3 weeks, on and off for about 2 hours straight. And I'm telling you, off this 1 minute, Most people wouldn't believe in a 1 minute because they like, you can't do it for 1 minute. But I did it over 3,000 times, and it works. And it works. I just bought a prop from 10K. I want to pass that one. Then I'm gonna do a 100K one. I'm gonna do videos on it. It's gonna take me a while. Maybe not now, but I swear to God, I will do this, bro. Once I pass this shit, I can't say I want to do it. I just gotta be in the dark. And once this happens, bro, because I be seeing niggas who make $12 million and shit. I'm like, damn, how do they do that? And but I be trying to. You can't really trade like them. You have to figure out your own shit. Even if I'm telling you how to do this, you can't really trade like me. You have to figure it out. Because you probably wouldn't get the EI wave. EI wave 3%. Now, this would be a loss. We could come up here. This would be a loss. This is a nearby. This would be a loss because boom, boom, never hits back. But you know what's crazy? I see I had 2 people in here. This would have been the only loss on US 30. We would have gained 19. If y'all was here before, we gained 19% in one fucking day. You probably never have a day like this. I'm not gonna lie. US 30 was the day. I swear to God, this day was this is better than sex. This was 19%. 19% in one fucking day? Come on. So this would be the last one. This is to be the only one you lose. This will be the only one you lose. You would win about 9 trades. This one right here. Everywhere I wrote the fib, you will win. This one right here. This would have been a 3-1. This would have been a 1-1. This would have been another 3-1. 3-1. This is a 1-1. I took this one. I took this one. I didn't take this one today. I don't know why I drew it, so I'm gonna delete it. These are the ones I took today. I took this one, and this was a crazy one I took. I usually would have did a 1-1 off the nearby, but price broke out of here. I said it gotta hit here, and then it came here. I was like, I could take advantage. This would have been a 3-1. This would have been another 3-1. I'm gonna break down the strategy even more in a YouTube video. But now it's stats time. This stats time will take about. You see, I'm so fucking hyped. I had the game in the background, and I'm not even watching this shit. I don't care about this game. The fucking Magic out the playoffs. So, so happy. I'm so happy I actually studied, put my head down, and figured something out. I just can't wait till it actually happens, you know? Like, you just got to enjoy the experience. I just feel so happy. Like, sometimes I feel happy about it, but I won't really, like, I test a strategy for one day and be like, it works. But I've been doing this shit consistently. I'm still doing it. So it can not be as profitable some days. Some days, like one day, I think I went 0-3. But this day, I would have went, what, like 12-1? Gold. I think gold. I went 1-1 today. Let's see, like, go earlier. 1 loss. I only took 1. But look how much wins we would have took. 1 W. We would have lost this like 1. That's a 1-1. We'd have lost this one. We lost this one. We'd have won this one. We would have won this one. We would have won this one. That's 3 W's, 4 W's, 2 L's. And the L I took was the 3-1. So I don't be feeling bad. I really don't. Yeah, 4. They would have been 4-2 if you took every one of these shits. It's just sometimes I don't. But if I do, it's over. Now let's get. The dog don't masterfy. Me and my old man, we just get fucked up every night. We said the old and old. I can't think of mine. So 14, 20, 25. I told you we keep stats. So we'll go by. We'll do the nearby strategy. The nearby always be fucking winning. That's what people why. But we gonna do this. EI. The EI is still questionable. What I be looking at, it works, but it has to work. I feel like sometimes you go on a mean. If you go on a mean loser streak with the EI, I'll be mad. And now what is it? 5:30 to 7. I don't. This is not really a strategy. I'm gonna replace the 5:30 to 7:30 with the retracement of the area it broke out of. I'm gonna make that one very soon. That shit might have a lot of losses, but I want to see if it wins money. It's gonna have more loss. Most people don't like that you got more losses than wins, but still be profitable. So it hurts your fucking prefrontal cortex. It hurts the hell out of your head. It hurts. Okay. We're gonna make this smaller. Okay. We want to kind of skim through this because we kind of wasted a bunch of time just talking. This is not. We got one more day to do this. I ain't gonna lie. I'm one of them niggas. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I've been studying this shit. I'm not scanning a bunch of time frames. I'm not. I might look at the 5 and see the direction of the trend. Maybe I just don't want to trade, but like say I go 5. I wouldn't go. I'm not going hour. I'm not doing all that shit. I'm just not. It doesn't make sense to me. It really doesn't make sense. Like I think niggas confuse traders. I want all God. I don't think you need to look at all these time frames. The fuck I need to look at an hour if I'm about to catch fucking 10 fucking pips? Doesn't make sense. Just doesn't. So I stopped looking. Most I look at is 5, if that. So I just want to see the direction of the trend. Maybe my like I just want to see the direction. Where is it going? Maybe it's too far down. Let's see. So 5:30. We're gonna start with the 5:30. Go didn't do that good. I'm not gonna be surprised on what US 30 give us. So we're talking about sales. It's 5:30. It makes 2 candles. It's kind of we're almost near. Let's see if we could make this a little bigger. Bring this all the way over here. So bring this up. It makes 2 candles. This is 5:30 to 7:30, so we're testing this. This might get out of the strategy. It's called the playbook. I learned it from one of the YouTube. I hate that I don't remember names that good. He was a black YouTuber. I wish I remember his name. It's like all time. I don't know what the fuck his name is. I'm sorry, YouTuber, but he always talked about a playbook and he always had precise entry. He's a good YouTuber. Don't get me wrong. Very good YouTuber. Push this up. Very good YouTuber. He liked basketball and shit. I know he got kids. He said he was an engineer. Rashad and Bahed. I don't want to. I'm gonna not say your name because I don't want to fuck you up. You're a cool YouTuber. I said I keep that in mind. This might be a W. Yeah, that's a W. I said I keep that in mind. But I don't like how so far the 1 minute that shit is nasty. I probably won't even trade this shit. This might have been this. Oh, I thought it was gonna give me a nearby. I wouldn't want to trade this shit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Work? Does it? No, it doesn't work. This is a L. All right, a L. We just because we taking. Let's say we take everything. This is randomization. So L. I said I keep that in mind. This might be it. Oh shit! I don't think this is gonna win. I don't think this is gonna win. This oh my! I can't. Why am I? Is it? Oh shit! Oh, it wins. It wins. It wins. I say I keep that in mind. Affection. Thousands of thousands of sent to the night. If you want to take that, sure. It's like if I want to, it's like certain shit I just probably wouldn't take. I ain't gonna lie, like I don't like this 530 shit. I ain't gonna lie, I'll be testing it. It's like I need more information on this one. It's like it's too random for me because it can work. Like I ain't gonna lie, the 530 shit I be testing it. It's the randomization of it. It works, but you never know. You just never know. This is one of them shit you never know. This is too random. You don't wait for no confirmation of nothing. You just, hey, you follow the trend of 530. But sometimes simple shit like that work. Go ahead into that. That's too damn small. I'll into that one. I'll be realistic. We'll see if it works. It does. What's up, girl? Oh, that goes. That's why I passed, bro. I told you I passed this shit one time before. I passed 3 prop firms. It was a random one, but they never gave me the. I passed the shit for flying colors, just doing this 1 minute, 50 minutes, and I just used to enter randomly off this. I'm telling you, it works. I keep that in mind. The bar don't match the fight. The bar don't match the fight. Me and my old man, we just get fucked up every night. Me and my old man, we just get fucked up every. We say. Said, oh my, questions of those your affection. Thousands and thousands of cents at a time. You're mine. Here's it. All right, we might just be done. All right, we're done. So from 530 to 7, we won 5 times and lost once. Off the 530 to 7. Now, I don't know what happened to gold. So what we're looking for is EI waves and what's it called? Nearby. So this is a nearby. Nearby, it happens. This might be too small. Let's see. This year, I don't like this. We're not entering this thing. I think I even did it on this. Oh, let's see. Too fucking small. Did we enter it off this? Nah, we didn't enter off this one. I won't enter. Yeah, I'm being right. It's too fucking small. It's too small. And the nearby is kind of far. We'll enter this one. So we enter off nearbys and EI waves after this. That's a nearby. This is a nearby right here. So good. This is, I like this nearby. So this right here. Mop, mop. It comes down. You enter. That's an L. Ooh, a nearby losing. 530 winning, but the nearby losing. The nearby losing, but the 530 winning. Yeah, start to. I wouldn't do this. And it's a downtrend. I'm not really the biggest fan of that. I like. I don't know why I did nearby because it's near the EM. Would I do this nearby? Near this? Okay. If you want, like, it comes here, comes back up. Mm. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna skip this. We just gonna skip this one. We just gonna skip this because since it went, we don't think that hard for the L's. We don't at all. We don't at all. At all. No EIs mitigated. No nearbys mitigated. Boom. I don't really like this shit. I probably won't take this. Oh, if it hit here and mitigated, so it's just not catching nothing. No EIs is created. Nothing is really created at this time of day. Let's delete all this shit. Let's delete it for previous days. We just want the statistics on this show. So, as of right now, I don't see nothing. If you want, like, to me, randomly, I'm not gonna let me be honesty. Randomization, you probably could make a killing off this. Like random, this you wouldn't make no killing. Fail, pass, fail, fail. Never mind, you wouldn't make no killing. That's crazy. You see, I said 530 to 7. I said that for a reason. I'm trying to be like, you just gotta be patient. Now after 730, you really gotta be patient. So mitigate. So this, if this came up past 50, did it come even touch 50? If it touch 50, this is an L. And we're on a counterpart as an L too. Never hits 50. And I don't like this. But real time, I probably wouldn't like that. Never hits. That shit hard. That shit hard. Sometimes I like to look at what the fuck I did to see if I'm truly right in this replay, because sometimes you can be biased. I would have entered that. I would. Lucky you hit that 50%. I would have entered that shit because it's not really an EI yet. It is, but this is fucking weak. I'd have counterfied this as an EI. No, don't go to it. Don't. You see, I would have entered. Look, once it hit that, look, I'm telling you, it worked. Look. Okay. You wanted to push out. That would have been it. That would have been the nearby. No nearby. This is kind of like a. This is one right here. Did it break out from anywhere? Why do we got this? Let's delete this. So I ain't gonna lie. I didn't enter shit yet. What time is it? 11? Did I enter anything? Oh, there's nearby. Nearby. Yeah, this don't. Okay. Let's see. Near. Okay. Okay, nearby. So I would count that as a W. You see, sometimes you just don't see everything. I hate. I really don't want to be biased. Like this nearby, I'm not gonna lie, I went into this shit. Like I did it on this goal, but I low key went into this. Maybe, like, I think that's an L though. But we gonna count this as an L because I took it in real time. I don't think no EIAs was created. No, it was. What's it? We're not gonna look. We just going. That's a nearby too. Damn, that's a true nearby. That's why I said I don't like this nearby. You know what? I count of five as this is a loss. Nearby comes up. I count this as a loss. I'm not gonna lie to you. That because that's it. This is a true nearby. You know, I count this as a loss. I like this new. I like this nearby. Because that's something I'll take. And it's in the uptrend. Hell yeah. So nearby. And once I seen this look nasty. Like once it start making shit like this, just wait. Just wait. So I'll probably just wait. Like, let's see. Do this near uh do this nearby works? See? Even if it works. Let's say L. Fuck it. Let's say L. It's crazy. Nearby L. Let's just say L. This nearby, this nearby. This nearby. This nearby. But imagine we held this to this nearby. That would have just wiped out the 3Ls. But I hate saying shit like that. So why do I say it? This is a breakout point. Price will come back to here because it ranged out and broke out. We let price play. It comes back over here. EI was created. Fucking EI wave was created. It breaks out. You don't enter because you don't really know where to enter. I entered off this one today. Alright. Doesn't hit here. So I entered out this one. It's the 101 loses. So EI. I think that was only one for today. It loses. Like I said, some days it just don't work. Like if we go from I think yesterday the fucking goal was still killer. Oh, don't. Yeah, you can't answer with that. That's nasty. That's nasty. Yeah, you can't answer with this shit. Can we get? I thought we could get some near or nearby. Can't get a nearby. That's a near. Oh, nearby Korean. You're nearby Korean. Nearby Korean. Fuck. Loki. You want? I write a L. Let's write the L. The nearby sucks today. Damn, it's almost the opposite of the 530. What the? Oh, we we break even for today. It's a nearby. Hey, can they go break even? At least go break even. Usually the nearby is a fucking killer. I really want to take this, in all honesty. This is why I don't take. So if we want to, we could cancel the nearbys, these two nearbys, because it's an uptrend. We got to. So cancel this because it's not following the rules. So the nearby we gonna do. Gonna take away one. I'm gonna take away one. I don't like that shit. This is a nearby too. This is a L. Mm, That's why I said sometimes. Depends. Mm-mm. Oh yeah, you answered that. Hell yeah. No problem. First Christelle. Can we get five nearby? Can we just get three in a row so it could look clean? So we broke even. We just had a bad day though. All right, we're done for today. So 2 and 5, L 5 and 1. This would have been a horrible day for gold. What did I go for? I won one, and I was the. Did I win gold? No, I didn't win one gold. Yeah, gold. Yeah, I answered this. The W. Let's see. I probably ain't catch that. But, yup. Was that the only? No, I had to win another nearby. I lost that nearby. Oh, nearby. Hmm. It's another nearby. So 3 and 5. L 5 and 1. 530. And I'm skeptical about the 530. I'm not even skeptical about nearby. This is probably the worst nearby I've ever seen. Look at the nearby here. 5 and 2, 1, 1, 4 and 2. 5 and 1, 3 and 5, 1. Not skeptical about the nearby. The nearby is beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's 30 time. So the nearby on 30 is 4, 2 L's at the EI wave, 4 and 2. Let's see the stats for this. I think this stats is going, bro, because we was playing this, we were just reviewing it. This stats is going to be crazy. I want to hurry up though, because I still gotta make this YouTube video. Okay. So let's see. So let's press text. Okay. My mouse. Let's hurry up and let's try to do this in 10 to 15 minutes. 4:30. I don't. 5 nearby. I'm gonna work on the YouTube video. Nearby. W L W L E I 3.1 R W L 530. Yeah, we're gonna start writing, like I said, entries on retracements. That's gonna be a big W, but the percentage wise, y'all gonna go crazy. I want to see if it is actually. I want to see if it's better percentage than anything, money percentage. I don't care how much times it lose because I know guarantee is gonna lose the most. Guarantee is gonna lose the most. I know for a fact it's gonna lose the most. But I know it's gonna gain the most money. It might. Okay. This looking nasty. I think this shit looks so nasty. So this shit looks nasty. I can't be biased for this shit. This shit looks nasty. Not entering. Might answer that. You'd might have answered that. But that's why I said we're not entering this one. Because this would have counted as lost. This would have counted as W. This shit looks nasty though. Oh god. That's a nearby too. That's a nearby. But shit. That's a nearby. I ain't gonna lie. I'm counting that as a W. That shit, man. It wig, man. I ain't gonna lie. If I have, shit, I'm counting as a W. What you counting as nothing? No, I'm counting as nothing. Because I don't know where we went. I really think it hit one, but I'm not gonna say nothing. What time is it? 6:30. 1W. That's pretty cool. How much wins we got today? I know the wins are gonna be fucking crazy. I think. Man, this is 50. This might have been worse. No, never hits. Never hits. This is nasty. This is nasty work. Why? This is nasty work because it hits here. If it wakes up to here, you would think attention. There's no count this as an L. Because in real time, you will answer that. L. Unless, unless it hits 50. Guarantee this shit hits 50. Oh, yeah. Guarantee this hits 50. What time is it? Yeah, okay, we stopping. So 2 and 2. Because we'll get into this at 7:30. Yeah, we can start right here. We can just say 2 and 2. Oh no, I'm gonna get tired. I gotta get off this shit soon. ER wave hits. Boom. That's an ER. Let's just say so the ER wave. Instead of this joint, let's just say we take this one. I like this one entry better. Either works, but this one is safer. This one is way safer. That's a nail bar. Boom. Oh, no. Is that a nail bar? That's what I mean. No, that's not a nail bar. Yeah, he's like keep playing. That's a nail bar. a nearby. I don't really like this nearby. I don't like this nearby. I don't like this nearby, but it works. Nearby. This nearby works. Boom. 1, 2. Nearby. It's doesn't make 2 candles. This nearby kind of works if you enter. I don't know. This is enough points for you to. Yeah. Boom, boom. Nearby happens. Nearby doesn't work. Fuck, I'm tired. Telling you this today was just a good day. Oh, I gotta hurry up. I can't survive. Nearby works. I don't really like this nearby though. I really don't. No. You gonna wait. Yeah, I'll write this nearby. It will work. It will work. I can tell. I swear, like 4, like 7 nearbys work too. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Man, I still gotta do this video. I'm trying to hurry up and get all the stats. Didn't I say this is the only one who lost? Yeah, I did say that. That was the only one that lost. Yeah, you can take that one. And I would have pushed it on. That's a 1.5. I would have took it. I would have took it real time. I'm gonna stop right there. For the stats for this, 3 nearbys, 1 win, 1 L, 3 wins, 2 W's, 2 W's. So there's about, yeah, what was this yesterday? I thought today was fucking crazy. Nearbys are 4. So the nearby, it was actually, it is the first day I actually been negative. I'm gonna get off because I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired and I still gotta work on this video. Peace.